So this is the closest I've gotten so far to a workable sampling system using my 3T77, 3S76 in the 568 mainframe. Ultimately, I'm going to be coupling this with a Type 230 digital readout, which will give us cursors and voltage and time information. It was really the first or second digital readout oscilloscope. And so right now we are triggering on, get back there. We're triggering on a pulse wave from a WaveTech function generator. And we're triggering externally, meaning the signal coming in to the sampling plugin is actually triggering the sweep. And this is the first time I got that to work. It's a little more finicky and needs an external trigger if the signal is too low. I'm just starting to figure this out, but out of all of these plugins I've gone through so far, this is really the most I've gotten anything to work. So for example, if we were to take this other signal here from it's a 50 millivolt signal into 50 ohms. If we were to take that as the input, it's not going to trigger unless we use this pre-trigger signal. So right now, the trigger is not being picked off from the input to the sampling plugin. It's coming externally, and you can see we've got this is a much lower. This is only 100 kilohertz versus the I think that was a 1 megahertz or 10 megahertz roughly signal I was getting out of the function generator. So yeah, this is as far as I've gotten so far. Oh, and it looks like this 0.1 microseconds doesn't work. We're in the middle of a low here. There's no delay like you have on a dual time base plugin. So there's a little delay, but it doesn't get us the range that we want. So, but yeah, this is my first foray into getting a working sampling system. So yeah.